VisionSync glasses have genuinely exceeded my expectations and have become one of the most useful accessories in my daily routine. From the first day of use, I was impressed by how comfortable they felt. The frames are lightweight yet sturdy, making them easy to wear for long periods without causing pressure or discomfort. The design is sleek, modern, and stylish, giving them a premium appearance that works well in both professional and casual settings. I have received several compliments on how good they look, which is an added bonus alongside their practical benefits. What stands out most is the convenience they provide throughout the day. Whether I am reading documents, browsing on my phone, working on a computer, or simply going about everyday activities, the visual experience feels smooth and comfortable. The lenses help reduce the constant need to switch between different pairs of glasses, making daily tasks much more efficient and enjoyable. Long hours in front of digital screens can often lead to tired eyes, but using VisionSync glasses has made screen time feel significantly more comfortable and less stressful. Another aspect I appreciate is the overall quality of the product. Every detail, from the frame construction to the lens finish, feels carefully designed and well made. The glasses strike an excellent balance between durability and comfort, giving confidence that they will continue to perform well over time. They are easy to clean, maintain their appearance nicely, and feel like a product that was created with real user needs in mind. The versatility of VisionSync glasses is another major advantage. They fit seamlessly into a busy lifestyle and are suitable for a wide range of activities. Whether working from home, attending meetings, reading, traveling, shopping, or relaxing with digital devices, they consistently provide a comfortable and reliable viewing experience. Instead of being limited to a single purpose, they offer an all-in-one solution that adapts well to different situations. Customer satisfaction is clearly reflected in the overall experience. The product combines functionality, style, convenience, and comfort in a way that makes a noticeable difference in everyday life. It is refreshing to find a product that delivers on its promises while maintaining a high standard of quality. The thoughtful design and practical benefits make VisionSync glasses feel like a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to enhance their daily comfort and productivity. Overall, I am extremely happy with VisionSync glasses and would not hesitate to recommend them to friends, family, or anyone searching for a dependable and stylish eyewear solution. They offer an impressive blend of performance, comfort, and visual convenience, making them a product that truly stands out. My experience has been overwhelmingly positive, and I look forward to continuing to use them every day.